Halloween becomes a charming vampire. Draw a five-pointed star on each cheek. On the forehead, add a pentagon. Use collodion to make the drawings look like scars. Use a cotton swab to outline around the eyes, creating a dramatic effect. Darken the eye area carefully for intensity. Place each pearl along the outline to create a stunning look. Don't forget to darken the nose and draw delicate black wings on the cheeks for added flair. Create black lines from the lips to enhance the demonic look. Finish by adding pearls to transform into a truly seductive demon. Use a spider-shaped sticker to create a straight line to near the eyes. Apply black powder around the spider, then remove the stickers to reveal white spiders. Draw a black line to depict a web from the eyes. Darken the lips to become a spider elf. With a skewer and red lipstick, create blood streaks around the eyes, forming a spider web. Apply bold lipstick and dark nails for an eye-catching finish. This spider elf looks enchanting. Even if bitten, one wouldn't regret it. She is the Halloween thrilling. Use a toothpick and eyeliner to create black lines around your lips, extending them outward. Draw fish bones for added detail. Darken your lips, nose, cheeks, and eyes to enhance the look. This demon character doesn't need words to make an impression. The striking features will speak for themselves, adding an eerie, yet captivating effect. Embrace the boldness of the design to truly embody the character. Paint the lips in blue, red, purple, and yellow to match the eye colors. Apply white powder at the outer corners. Does this Halloween makeup resemble a fairy more than a witch? The blend creates an enchanting look that's sure to turn heads. Darken the area around the eyes and blend down the cheeks. Paint dark lips and smear blood around. Draw a black eagle on the forehead. It looks bloodthirsty. Smiling enhance the haunting vibe. Is this neck-cutting makeup too bloody? Oh, I'm so scared. Let's get your hands dirty now. Tie a band around the neck, then glue a piece of white cloth to simulate a cut. Cut the cloth in half to create realistic edges. Apply skin tone to blend it perfectly, then use foundation to match your own. Use bright red lipstick in the center to mimic fresh blood. Add some dark edges around the cut for depth and dimension. Pour fake blood over the cloth, ensuring it seeps through for authenticity. Dab more blood around to enhance the overall effect. Wow, this neck-cutting girl looks terrifying, truly ready to scare everyone at the Halloween party. She'll be the center of attention. Apply foundation on a stick and paint around the eyes and cheeks for a striking appearance. Draw black outlines around the eyes for a dramatic effect. Use red lipstick around the mouth. Add dark lips and two horns for an edgy style. This results in a captivating visual, making you look like a horror movie character. The dark female Joker is coming, leaving excitement and fear behind her. Apply foundation around the eyes, then create a line and fill it with dark red to simulate a bleeding cut. Blink to check if the cut looks real. Adjust as needed to ensure it blends with your skin tone. Add a bit of extra color around the edges. This attention to detail will make your Halloween look unforgettable. Attach black tapes to the forehead and nose, avoiding drawing on these areas for a clean look. Use black and red powder to color around the eyes for depth. Draw two black bat wings at the outer corner. Apply orange blush and slightly dark orange lips, adding a few bat wings on the cheeks. This sharp and enchanting witch radiates a captivating energy, leaving everyone spellbound. Use stickers to cover the diamond shapes above and below the eyes for a striking effect. Use red lipstick to frame the face. Spray blood droplets on both sides for realism. Peel off the stickers and enhance the blood around the diamonds for a chilling effect. This face is bloodied and ready for action. Use lipstick on foil and press it onto the face for dramatic effect. Add shading for depth, and you're set to hunt, embodying the ultimate Halloween vibe. Create intricate spider elf eyes with a mix of techniques. Use brown eyeshadow on the outer corners for allure. Apply dark purple black on the eyelids for depth. Carefully apply mascara to make every lash stand out. Sketch spider legs above and below the eyes with brown pencil for drama. Use eyeliner to darken the light leg lines and make them pop. Apply brown eyeliner for 3D shadows, giving the legs a lifelike look. Finally, highlight the joints with white pencil for detail. This is the queen of spider elves, ready to mesmerize anyone. Use green eyeshadow to paint the eyebrows for a bold look. Purple eyeshadow on the eyelids and outer corners enhances appeal. Create an upward-pointing triangle with purple below for dimension. Extend the corners of the red lips to enhance their shape. This makeup reveals a charming Joker with mesmerizing lips, embodying a mix of beauty and spookiness. Darken the outer corners of the eyes and draw red blood droplets for a chilling effect. You don't need extravagance to look beautiful this Halloween. Simplicity can be stunning. Wishing all witches a fun evening filled with magic and laughter. Enjoy the festivities and embrace the season's spirit, letting creativity shine through every look.